A flooded basement is stressful enough, but the real nightmare begins if mold takes over. You have a strict 24 to 48-hour window before mold spores start colonizing. Here is exactly how to stop it in its tracks. Every minute counts. Before you do anything else, you must remove all standing water. Use submersible pumps and heavy-duty wet vacuums to extract the bulk of the floodwater as fast as humanly possible. Get everything off the floor right away. Move wet boxes, rugs, and furniture out of the damp basement and into a dry, well-ventilated area. Items left sitting in the moisture will quickly become mold factories. Some materials just cannot be saved. Carpet padding, saturated drywall, and wet fiberglass insulation act like giant water sponges. You need to cut these out and discard them immediately to remove trapped moisture. Stagnant air is mold's best friend. Create massive airflow by bringing in industrial-grade air movers. Position them to blast air across the wet concrete floors and bare wall studs to accelerate the evaporation process. Fans alone are not enough. You have to physically pull the water out of the air. Bring in high-capacity dehumidifiers to constantly extract humidity, preventing that evaporated moisture from settling back onto cold surfaces. Once the visible water is gone, it is time to scrub. Wash all hard, non-porous surfaces with a strong, professional antimicrobial solution. Avoid using standard bleach on porous materials like wood or concrete, as it doesn't kill the deep roots of the mold. Mold loves to hide in the dark. Inspect the tight spaces behind baseboards, underneath wooden stairs, and inside your HVAC ductwork. Moisture trapped in these unseen cavities is the #1 cause of recurring mold issues. You cannot just guess when the room is fully dry. Use a digital hygrometer to monitor the indoor humidity daily. Your goal is to drive the basement's relative humidity well below 50% to ensure mold cannot survive. Don't let a flooded basement turn into a toxic mold hazard. For rapid water extraction, professional structural drying, and true peace of mind, call the experts at Gold Coast Flood Restorations immediately.